So let's have a look what we need on the primary pipework externally to insulate and seal them properly and clip. And this is to be done on survey. So the insulation, bond and seal, the sleeve through the wall, sealing rings, rubber line clips and backplate. So let's go through a typical job. First of all, we've got the holes through the wall and then we're going down to the heat pump. So we've got to measure all these areas here. So 1, 2, 3, down to the heat pump. An example, 1.5 meter number 1, 4 meters is 2, 2 meters is number 3. Total 7.5 meters. We should double it because there's 2 pipes. Easy. 7.5 meters times 2, 15 meters. And then we add another meter on going through the wall to the internals. In total, 16 meters. So that's what we need. 16 meters of whatever size insulation you need to insulate. Bond and seal. What bond and seal do we need? So a typical one, 28 mil. So 1 tube of bond and seal per 3 lengths. So 16 into 3, 5.3. So we'd round it up. So we need 6 tubes for this job. Next, the sleeve. We only need 1 sleeve. Most of the installations will be about 500 mil. So we cut the 1 meter down. That will do both sleeves through the wall. If it is a stone wall, a bigger wall, order another one if it's bigger, but this is what you'll pick up on the survey. If it's a standard one, you just need 1 sleeve. Sealing rings, so they go on the outside. If you are using them, you need 2. Come in a box of 10, so you need 2 of those. That'll do it perfectly. Rubber line clips, so we need 16 clips. The 16 meters of pipework, we need 1 for each meter. Back plates. Now there's 2 types of back plate, as you know. We've got the standard one, we've got the easy fit. If it's a standard one, they're going to be harder to fit with 2 drill holes, and you need 16 because you want 1 for each clip. If it's the easy fit, they're simple to fit, a lot quicker to fit and a lot safer to fit. You just need 1 per pair, so you need 7. These are all the products you need for your insulation, your clipping and your sealing, from the holes through the wall, all the way through, all the way down to your heat pump. And this is the list that you need for this job. I've got another video on the different kits you've got. That'll be your connection kits, so depending on whether it's 1.5 or 1.25 have a look at the other video on what kits you'll need for antifreeze valves, lever valves, because we've come up with some solutions with that to try and help. We've got a configurator coming out. It can be on site, you can do all these calculations, and it'll automatically tell you how many clips and what kits you need to connect to the heat pump, what flexibles, everything done for you. And then you can email that straight to yourselves or email it straight to the merchant and they can price it all up for you. So that should be coming out in December 2024. If you need any help or you've got any questions, please jump onto our website and contact us there, or you can email us at info@primarypro.co.uk. On the website, you see the telephone numbers for the helpline. We've made that up. That is there for you. We are there to help, because I know a lot of you'll know what you're doing, but there might be some people who need some help. We're always there to help. Take care.